Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to redirect HTTP to HTTPS in Cpanel. So let's get started. So at first we need to log into our Cpanel account. In the address bar we are going to enter our domain name /cpanel and hit enter. And this will take us to our Cpanel login page. Here we need to enter our Cpanel username and password and then click on login. You can find this username and password from the email which is attached to your web hosting. So now I am going to click on login. And this will take us to a Cpanel dashboard. From here we are going to scroll down to file section. So here it is. And after that we are going to click on file manager. File manager contains all the website files. And now from here we are going to click on public HTML. And here it will show you all the website files. If you have only one website hosted on your web hosting, then you will see few website files. But as I have multiple websites on my hosting, so that's why we are going to see multiple folders. As I want to redirect from HTTP to HTTPS on this website, so I am going to open its folder. But if you have only one website, then you will see all the website files in the public HTML folder. And now from the top we are going to click on settings, and after that we are going to click on this checkbox show hidden files, and then we will click on save. But we are going to edit this file .htaccess file. If this file is available on your website, then that's great, then you can edit this file. But if this file is not available on your website files, then from the top just click on this plus file icon and give this name to the file .htaccess, and after that click on create new file. As this file is already available on my website, so I am going to cancel it from here, and after that I am going to edit this file. So I am going to right click on it and then click on edit. Now again I will click on edit, and now from the top I will just press enter, and after that I will paste my code here. You can find this code from the link which is available on the video description, and after that I am going to click on save changes. So this is how you can redirect from HTTP to HTTPS. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.